Hi, I'm Oliver Harrison and I'm Technical Lead for FlashWeb. We're a digital agency offering bespoke solutions to modern problems. Today's video will be a quick recap and summary of my previous series about the core technologies that make the modern web work. As a quick refresher, the four technologies we covered were HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP. So I'd like to cover how these fit together and the sequence involved in processing a website for a user. Firstly, you, the user, makes a request for a website. In this example we use Facebook. By typing the site's name into your browser, it's a special server called the domain name system, then translates that name into Facebook's unique ID code called an IP address, and sends your request to that address. When Facebook receives your request, it triggers a PHP file on their server which begins to process your request. This PHP file will handle back-end tasks like checking whether or not you're already logged in, deciding what language it needs to display based on your region, or checking your username and password. These background processes wouldn't necessarily be handled by a single PHP file. It's more likely that there'd be several different PHP files, all with one specific task, but that's totally up to the developer. Once the background tasks are complete, the PHP will output HTML that's sent back across to you, the user. Your browser then reads and interprets the HTML, creating the structure and content from the page from the instructions in the HTML. While doing this, the browser will usually come across HTML elements that represent links to style sheets. It will then asynchronously load these sheets and apply them to the HTML code once it's been fully loaded. The HTML may also contain links to scripts for JavaScript. Unlike CSS, these scripts will be loaded and run before the browser continues loading the rest of the HTML. So if the link for a JavaScript script is at the top of a HTML page, it will run the script before loading any HTML. Once these tasks are complete, your browser will have displayed a fully functioning website for you.